Imagine this. It's the year 2035. You walk into a bright office full of robots, screens, and quiet confidence. The interviewer looks at you and says, "So, can you tell me about your experience with AI?" Your heart beats fast, but this time you smile because you know the English. You know how to answer.
That future is not far away, and today's conversation is one small step toward it.
Welcome back to MindCast English.
Hello, everyone. We're really glad you're spending your time with us today.
I'm Zara.
And I'm Arlo.
On MindCast English, we help you speak English confidently for real-life situations.
Jobs, interviews, careers, and your future.
Today's topic is very special and very modern,
Future job interviews.
and specifically English phrases for AI and robotics,
Even if you are a beginner in English,
or a student just starting with AI or robotics.
this episode is for you.
Before we go deeper, let's do one small thing together.
If you want to improve your English for your career,
Please subscribe to MindCast English
like this episode.
and share it with someone who dreams of a tech future.
Thank you so much for supporting us.
Now, let's start slowly.
Zara, many learners feel scared about interviews.
Yes, especially future tech interviews.
They think the English must be perfect.
But interviews are not English exams.
Exactly.
Interviewers want clear ideas, not perfect grammar.
So our goal today is simple English,
Clear English.
useful English.
Let's begin with the first moment of an interview.
The greeting.
The interviewer usually says, "Good morning, how are you?"
A simple answer is enough.
"Good morning, I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?"
Calm, polite, professional.
Then comes the famous question.
Tell me about yourself.
This question feels dangerous.
But it doesn't have to be.
Let's build a safe structure.
First, who you are.
I'm a student interested in artificial intelligence and robotics.
Second, what you do.
I'm currently learning programming and basic AI concepts.
Third, what you want.
I'm looking for opportunities to grow and learn in this field.
That's it.
Simple and clear.
No long stories.
No pressure.
Now let's practice talking about interest.
Interviewers love passion.
They may ask, why are you interested in AI and robotics?
A good answer can be very simple.
I'm interested in AI because it can solve real-world problems.
Or, robotics interests me because it combines software and hardware.
You don't need big words.
Just honest ones.
Let's slow down and repeat useful phrases.
I'm interested in artificial intelligence.
I enjoy learning about robotics.
I like solving problems with technology.
These sentences are powerful.
Now let's talk about skills.
Interviewers often ask, what skills do you have?
This question scares many learners.
But you don't need to sound like an expert.
You can say, "I have basic knowledge of Python."
Or, I'm familiar with machine learning concepts.
Or, "I'm learning how to work with data."
Words like basic and learning are safe.
They show honesty.
And growth.
Now let's talk about projects.
Projects are very important in AI and robotics.
The interviewer may ask, "Can you describe a project?"
Start small.
I worked on a small AI project.
Then explain the goal.
The goal was to analyze data.
Or the goal was to build a simple robot.
Then explain your role.
I wrote the code.
I tested the system.
I helped debug errors.
These phrases are very useful.
Now let's talk about problem solving.
A key skill in AI and robotics.
The interviewer may ask, how do you solve problems?
A good answer follows steps.
First, I try to understand the problem.
Then I break it into smaller parts.
Then I research possible solutions.
Finally, I test and improve.
This shows logic.
And clear thinking.
Let's talk about teamwork now.
Many AI projects are team projects.
So interviewers ask about teamwork.
Do you work well in a team?
A simple answer is enough.
Yes, I enjoy working in a team. I like sharing ideas. I learn from others.
These sentences show positivity.
Now let's talk about communication.
Interviewers want people who can explain ideas.
Even simple explanations are good.
You can say, I try to explain technical ideas in a simple way.
Or, I ask questions when I don't understand.
Asking questions is a strength.
Not a weakness.
Now let's move to future questions.
Interviewers love future thinking.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
You don't need a perfect plan.
Just direction.
I want to grow as an AI professional.
I want to work on meaningful projects.
I want to keep learning.
Very good answers.
Now let's talk about weaknesses.
A scary topic.
But we can answer it safely.
You can say, I'm still improving my English.
Or, I sometimes focus too much on details.
Then add improvement.
But I'm working on it.
This shows self-awareness.
Now let's slow down and practice vocabulary.
Artificial intelligence.
Robotics.
Machine learning.
Data analysis.
Automation.
Algorithms.
These words appear often in interviews.
You don't need to explain them deeply.
Just use them correctly.
Now let's talk about confidence phrases.
Very important.
Let me think for a moment.
That's a good question.
I don't have much experience yet, but I'm learning.
These phrases buy time.
And show professionalism.
Now let's imagine a longer interview moment.
I'll be the interviewer again.
Okay.
Can you explain AI in simple terms?
AI is technology that helps machines learn from data.
Good.
It helps machines make decisions.
Simple and clear.
That's perfect.
Now another question.
Okay.
Can you explain why we should hire you?
This question scares many people.
But the answer can be calm.
I'm motivated.
I'm a fast learner.
I'm interested in this field.
And I'm willing to improve.
Very honest.
Interviewers like honesty.
Now let's talk about learning mindset.
AI changes fast.
So learning is important.
You can say, I enjoy learning new technologies.
I follow online courses.
I practice regularly.
These sentences show growth.
Now let's talk about mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Interviewers may ask, how do you handle mistakes?
A good answer is simple.
I learn from my mistakes.
I try to fix them.
And improve next time.
That shows maturity.
Now let's talk about ethics.
AI ethics is important.
You can say, I believe AI should help people.
Technology should be used responsibly.
Even simple thoughts matter.
Now let's talk about remote work.
Many future jobs are remote.
You can say, I'm comfortable working online.
I can communicate clearly.
I manage my time well.
These phrases help.
We've covered a lot today.
And you're doing great.
If you're still listening, good job.
You're serious about your future.
Now we're coming to the end.
But before we finish,
We want to hear from you.
tell us in the comments, does this title match your future goal?
Future job interviews. English phrases for AI and robotics.
And tell us what kind of future job you want. AI engineer, robotics developer, researcher?
We read your comments.
They help us create better lessons.
Thank you for learning with MindCast English.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing.
Your future interview starts now.
See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.